Apple is gearing up to revolutionize the display game again. The iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to introduce cutting-edge display technology called Low-Dielectric TEE, and it promises to be a game changer. Stick around to learn all about this new tech, why it's a big deal, and what it means for the future of iPhones. First, let's talk about what Low-Dielectric TEE actually is. According to a renowned tipster, this innovative technology is all about boosting the durability, efficiency, and responsiveness of the iPhone's display. The new panels, dubbed LTPO Plus, are expected to reduce power consumption significantly while ensuring faster response times. Compared to the current LTPO displays on the iPhone 16 lineup, LTPO Plus could potentially offer a much more efficient use of battery power. Imagine getting through your day without worrying about your phone dying, thanks to smarter display tech. Now, here's where it gets exciting. These panels could also enhance overall performance, ensuring smoother visuals and possibly even better resistance to wear and tear. And while the tipster didn't confirm improvements in image quality, we know Apple likes to exceed expectations. Could this tech also pave the way for crisper, more vibrant displays? Only time will tell. But who's making these displays for Apple? That's the big question. Apple has relied heavily on Samsung and LG for its display technology over the years. However, there's buzz that BOE, a Chinese company that's been trying to win Apple's favor, might have finally cracked the code with OLED panels that surpass even Samsung's and LG's quality. If Apple collaborates with BOE for these LTPO Plus panels, it could shake up the supply chain landscape. However, there's also the intriguing possibility that Samsung might end up manufacturing superior displays for its biggest rival while holding off on using this tech for its own Galaxy phones. What a twist that would be. Now let's address a side rumor: Apple's iPhone 17 Air. This slimmer, aesthetics-focused phone might not feature the Low-Dielectric TEE displays, likely due to its ultra-thin design. It's rumored to underperform compared to the Pro models and yet cost more. Sounds like a trade-off Apple fans might not love. This year's flagship iPhone 16 Pro series brought us exciting features like the camera control button and enhanced Apple Intelligence. But if you skip this generation, the LTPO Plus panels on the iPhone 17 Pro might just be the incentive you've been waiting for. And it doesn't stop here. The iPhone 18 is rumored to take this technology even further, building on LTPO Plus to deliver an even more advanced display experience. Could we see significant visual upgrades or even more efficient panels next year? So should you wait for the iPhone 17 Pro? If display durability, battery efficiency, and cutting-edge tech matter to you, this could be the iPhone that sets the standard for years to come. But let's hope Apple doesn't stagger the rollout of this tech across different models like it did with its AI tools. That's all for today, folks. What do you think about Low-Dielectric TEE and the potential of LTPO Plus panels? Are you excited for the iPhone 17 Pro, or will you wait for the iPhone 18? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest tech news and rumors. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, But there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.